Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to share with you a plan with me, and this time I'm going to be using my TPC Hybrid Nation Planner, which I absolutely love, and I'm going to be using this kit from Avalon Ninth. It's called Harvest Time. This is very fall. I love the colors, the patterns, everything about it. It's so perfect, and I love the way it turns out. I think this is one of my favorites so far. I mean, I have a lot of Avalon Ninth kits that are my favorites, but this one is definitely like in my top 5. So right now I'm just checking to see what the dates are because this week is actually the week of the 13th through the 19th. So I'm just going to put down all of my date covers, and then I'm going to move to that gorgeous washi, which I cannot not have. And then I'm going to be using some numbers from the clear numbers, but now that I did it, I wished that I had used some with like a white backing because I can't see it very well on the darker colors, but that's okay. I know what the day of the week is. I know what week this is. It's all good. So this one is it's like the Ray Dunn inspired letters and numbers, and those are I have those up in my shop. I'm sorry, but my voice is not being nice to me right now. It has been an incredibly long week. And I know this video is going up a little bit late because it is now Monday. And so this week is already gone by, but at least that way I can tell you what happened this week while we're putting all this stuff down. So now I'm going to move on to my washi, which look at that. It is just perfect. You cannot go wrong with wood grain and big white letters, and it says pumpkin patch all over it. It's absolutely perfect. I don't know where Amanda comes up with all her stuff, but I love it. I can't get enough of it. I actually just subscribed to her functional. She has a monthly mystery kit and a functional. I don't know if that one's a mystery or not. I feel like it's a mystery. I think maybe the colors are a mystery. But anyway, she has a functional one that I just subscribed to as well because I love her boxes and all the different sizes and shapes and the ones with like the little grids inside. So they will work with anything. So I can use them with her kits, and I can also use them with other kits where the colors kind of match up. And so that is why I subscribe to that one. She just had that one open. I want to say it's still open. If you go over to Avalon Ninth on the Facebook group, join her Facebook group, she has it listed in there when the opening times are for signing up for the monthly and for the functional monthly. So if you're interested in it, you should head over to her Facebook group. Anyway, so I'm going to get back to the planner here. I love this. It's just so pretty. So this week was the end of the TPC sale, so that ended on Monday, and then I worked Wednesday and Thursday, and today is Monday, the 20th. It's actually like 2 o'clock in the morning, so you guys know I work night shift, so all of my days and nights are flip-flopped from you guys. So I'm a night shifter, and so that's why everything is done in the middle of the night for me, and probably why my voice sounds like this, because I've actually been up all day finishing up the last of the orders from the TPC sale. I managed to get all of them out by, well, Sunday, but they'll go out Monday because there's no mail on Sunday. But I'm very proud of myself. I can't believe I actually got them all done. It was basically like nonstop. So I did like 14-hour days in the shop, printing and cutting and packaging and trying to get everything out because I kind of set like a personal goal. I know I have 2 weeks, but I like to get things out as quickly as possible because I know as a shopper, I like stock my email waiting for the email notifications that the stuff I ordered is on its way, even though it's all kits that I'm probably not going to use for months or at least a month. Like right now, I think most of the stuff that I ordered from the TPC sale is all kind of wintry and Christmassy. So, I mean, I'm not even going to use those for a while, but yet I'm still stalking my email, waiting for notifications from all the places that I ordered from. I'm super excited about them too. I got some great stuff. I am working on the haul video for September, so I've already filmed the first part of it because some orders have already come in, and I will continue to work on that every day until I get all of the orders in for September, and then I will upload it. It will probably be another big video. The last one I did was kind of long, and I apologize, but I like to get it all done in one video instead of bouncing around between more than one. So it'll probably be another one that's over an hour because I can't stop talking when I love this stuff. So I'm going to put down all of these little headers. I like the way this one came out with the all the way across the top. You know, I change it up pretty much every single time, but I like these little headers that she has, and since we're doing our grocery shopping, we're supposed to be doing our grocery shopping on Monday. I wanted to swap those 2 days. We used to do it on Sunday, and then I changed it to Monday because I thought we were going to be off, and then I ended up shopping on Saturday. So don't ask. It was just a hot mess. This week has been a hot mess. So like I said, on Monday, it was just processing orders all day and most of the night, and then Tuesday was the same thing because I was home again on Tuesday, and Tuesday afternoon, well, I had to get up early because Tuesday morning I watched the baby for my son-in-law. He had a test to take at the college, so I watched her in the morning for a couple hours while he did that. And then I had actually got a construction guy to come and give me estimates for some of the stuff. So one of the projects that I wanted to do is actually for her room, the baby's room. She's 6 months old, almost 7 months old now. And I wanted to have a wall built and a new window put in and a doorway cut in a wall. It's all a big whole project. And I could not for the life of me get anybody to come out and give me an estimate. And I finally got someone to come out, and he's a super nice guy, and he owns like a handyman, but he does have contractor's license, and I'm very excited. So he's supposed to get me that quote this week, and it is Monday, so I'll probably be stalking my email once again, waiting for the quote to come in and see if I can afford this. I did order her a crib bed slash thing today, so it's like they didn't have anything fancy like this when my kids were little. Well, they might have, but I probably couldn't have afforded it if they did. It's a 4-in-1, so it goes from a crib to a toddler bed to a day bed to a twin size bed or a full size bed. I can't remember what the size was. So I ordered that for her today along with a very nice Sealy mattress. And so when that comes in, that'll go in the space that she's sleeping in right now until the construction is done. And then she's going to get a whole new upgraded bedroom. So she'll have all kinds of cool stuff in there with her. I don't know why, but my daughter. So I'm all cutesy girly stuff, and I want, I want to help decorate, and I want to put all these like cute little animals in there and lots of pinks and stuff. And my daughter wants SpongeBob. So, because Raina loves SpongeBob, she sits and watches it all the time. Whenever they're doing something, they'll throw it on for her so that she'll be entertained while they're cooking or whatever. And yeah, she loves it. She sits and watches SpongeBob. So she wants to do SpongeBob in her room, and I don't. But it's not my it's not my thing to decide to do. So I'm just gonna go with it. So we're gonna have a SpongeBob room for a 7-month-old baby girl. Whatever, it's all good. So I'm finished putting on all of these boxes. I don't really have a ton of other stuff. I'm looking at the planner right now. It's all filled out, ready to go. God, I just don't know. Got all the estimate. I ordered the new iPhone. So, been waiting. I have an iPhone 7 Plus. That's how long it's been since I got a new phone. And the new iPhone Max came out, the 13, on Friday. So I ordered it immediately as soon as it came out. And I actually ordered two, one for my husband and one for me. So I'm super, super excited. Can't wait to get that. But it won't be till like mid-October before they come in. So then all of my pictures and my videos can be done on my iPhone instead of my old camera, which I hate. So I'm just going to put down some deco, and then I don't really have a whole lot else to talk about. I just thought you guys might like to see this spread. I know it's a little late since it's already Monday, but I need you to see. I need you to see Avalon Ninth because I am obsessed, absolutely obsessed with Amanda's Avalon Ninth. She has a fantastic shop, and when I grow up, I want to be just like her. Yep. I don't know how. Like this seems like a lot of work, like a lot for what she does with all of her monthly subscriptions, which I'm trying. I'm going to try to do a monthly subscription, but it's going to be way smaller than Amanda's by far. So that is everything that I have left over. Tons of stuff where I can do a daily spread. And this is how it came out. Absolutely beautiful. Thanks so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.